FarmHouse Fresh is such an interesting brand because they grow everything on their farm. They extract from their farm without wasting. And so everything is natural, fresh. I mean, that's why it's called FarmHouse Fresh, duh. Also on the farm is an animal sanctuary. So this is a vegan, cruelty-free line that they give back and rehabilitate animals that might have been like sent to the but instead they save them, rehabilitate them, and love them because animals should be loved. So FarmHouse Fresh, you're a brand with a soul, and I love you. So the first product that I love, and I think it's a #1 SKU, is the 3 Milk Moisturizer. What I love about this is it has firming peptides. So if you're wrinkly like me, honey, you just put it on and it fills in your wrinkles. It works immediately, and then if you use it over time, it's accumulative and it works as you grow older. So it's a product that stays by your side. Maybe you'll take care of me when I am wearing a diaper. Agave Nectar. I love you. If you want to keep your body looking wrinkle-free, hydrated, dewy, and amazing, just put this puppy all over your body, especially when you just get out of the shower. Oh, I just love it. I want to put it all over my body. Wait a minute. I did. This is the Vitamin Berry Facial Tonic. It replenishes. It makes you look younger and more awake. And it's just delicious. I spray it on myself and all my friends, and it has aronia berry and rose water. I mean, you can't go wrong, honey. Again, it's so natural and it just grows on the farm. I'm gonna start spraying this everywhere. I have a crush on Blackberry Crush Hydrating Lip Cream. All right, let me tell you about this, honey. It is so hydrating. It doesn't have a color. This has olive fruit oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, shea butter oil, and sunflower. I gotta tell you, it also smells so good that if I didn't know better, I'd try to eat this. But you shouldn't do that. That's not good. Next is the Splendid Dirt Mud Mask. Yes, flying in VIP style. Thank you, Lenny Bell. She plays softball and she's really good. This is the nutrient-rich mud mask, and I just wanted to show you guys. It's like a pumpkin flavor. Look at that. It tingles when you put it on, so that alone, I'm in. You know it's working that way. This is for blotchy, red, oily skin. A lot of you have been asking me about that, and this is one of those products that's gonna help calm that skin, combat that skin. Now, because it's very active, if you're sensitive, maybe not so much, don't use, but if you have tough skin, you can handle it. Now, I will say that I have sensitive skin, but I try everything and it felt great on me. So this is going to calm your skin, minimizes pores, it strengthens capillaries, which takes away the redness in your skin. It's also a radiance booster, a skin degunker. The only thing it's not gonna do is your laundry. Yes, queen. So those are my top 5. Now there's so many more products that I love. You just have to go to their website and you gotta shop for yourself, honey. Now, I'm not making any money off of this, but I did get a discount code, Jamie20. So go to the website and get 20% off of any of the products that you want. Yes, it's great. Again, I'm not making money off of what you buy. I'm just getting you a discount because I love you and I love FarmHouse Fresh. You see how I did that? And then I want to merge you two together. FarmHouse Fresh X you together. Collaboration. You're going to love it and you're going to thank me later, and you're giving to a good cause. Peace.